Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome to a new plugin tutorial. Today we are showcasing Epic Enchants, and this is your total custom enchants plugin, and it is a premium plugin, costs $10 on the Songoda website, which I will leave down below as always. But even though this is a premium plugin, you will have the opportunity to win the plugin doing these giveaways. So I will be giving away 10 copies, yes, 10 copies of Epic Enchantments, and huge shout out to Brianna and the whole team at Songoda for allowing me to do this, because this is a massive giveaway, guys. So in order to win, or be entered into the giveaway rather, you have to be in the Songoda Discord, have the server owner role, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so those are the 3 requirements, and if you're new to this Discord, just apply for the server owner role if you have a server. So those are the 3 requirements, and best of luck to those who enter the giveaway. This plugin is insane. I highly recommend it for you guys to have on any type of server, honestly, because it adds some great custom enchants. Not only are there some pre-made ones, but you can create your full custom enchants, like insanely custom, like no plugin ever. So as I said, we got Epic Enchants to show you guys today, and let's get right into it. So the main command is /EE, which stands for Epic Enchantments. This just shows you the main menu, and we can go into the settings. So like any Songoda plugin, you have the general settings. This is pretty much everything in your configuration file, economy, interfaces, and systems. Pretty self-explanatory stuff. And for the custom enchants, there is a separate Discord that I will also leave linked down in the description, where people share their unique custom enchants, and you can have them on your server as well. So there's plenty of people on there, and they're sharing enchantments, so you can use them, and you can also share your own enchantments that you created. So make sure you check out that Discord as well. So let me go ahead and show you the pre-made list. And this is the Epic Enchant list, and let's go ahead and do the main command is /EE list. That will show up your GUI menu. So in here you have simple, unique, elite, ultimate, and legendary enchantment. So these are the 5 different groups or categories specifically for each enchantment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over them slowly. I'm not going to tell every single one, but I just want to showcase a little bit of what each one has, and then have some music over it. Is being sponsored by Songoda. Songoda is the one-stop shop designed to help make finding the perfect plugins for your Minecraft server easy and efficient. With the help of continuous user and developer feedback, Songoda is quick to implement your ideas and improve the platform. With fair and just business practices, Songoda Marketplace gives you the opportunity to download free and paid plugins to help your server stand out from the crowd. Join the Songoda community by checking out the links below. So in this chest, I have 5 different ones of each different category, and I just gave myself random books. So to do that, all you can do is EE and then give random book, and then this gives you the syntax. So we got give random book, the player's name, and then which type of group as well. So we can just do like a simple and just give a random book, and then as you see it says random book, and we can just right click and we'll discover one. This one is oxygenate, and this one is a tool enchantment, and it gives refill of oxygen levels when breaking blocks, which is pretty cool. So all you have to do is just drag and click on the different types. So this one specifically is for helmets, so I'm just going to put it on, and that one successfully applied. So we got aquatic one on our helmet, and this one we got 69% success rate and 23 destroy, and this one gives more XP when killing mobs. So let's go ahead and see if that worked. Alright, that successfully worked. And then we now have anti-gravity 2, which gives permanent drop noose, which is really awesome, so we can try that. So that one works successfully as well. Then we have blind 4, 4, and so we got 28% success and a 68 destroy. So this one might destroy a sword, so we can go ahead and try. As you see, that one did fail to apply. Alright, so that one just failed. It didn't destroy our sword, which is great. If it doesn't work, it will completely destroy your item, which is kind of like a gambling system that they have here, which is kind of cool. So this one has a 66 and a 78 destroy, gives a burst of haste, so that's like really good for mining and or even fighting as well. So let's go ahead and apply that. Let's see, and you see that one completely destroyed our item. So those are the different types of books, and that's what players have to go through to like try to get really good enchantments. So that is just a really cool feature. So next thing I wanted to show you guys is item dust. So this will help increase success rates for players be able to put on something. So give item dust the player and then the group. So we can do EE give item dust, and then the player, and then the group. So which enchantment group that you want. So we can do ultimate, and then you can have magic, mystery, and primal. So I will show you each of these. So we'll do primal, and then the percentage of whatever book that you want it to be added to your specific enchantment. So let's do like a 10% more. Alright, so as you see in this chest, I have each of the different ones. So I have a unique, elite, and a ultimate. So this one I put an ultimate for a 10% success rate. So as you see, I have berserk to 16% success and 48 destroy. Alright, so this will give me a 38% success rate. This one will give me a 10% success rate. I want to give myself a 10, so just drag it there. As you see, it increased to 26. So I want another 36, so I want to try that as well. So I really want this enchantment. So that is the specific item dust. Next thing that we have is scrolls. So you have a black and white scroll, and this is the same syntax. You can do EE give scroll white or black, player, amount, and then the success rate for that. So the black scroll removes a random enchantment from an item and converts it into a 91% success book, which is pretty cool. So it chooses any random from an item, removes it, and gives the player a book instead, which is good or bad. So it depends on if a player really likes enchantment, it could be removed, but you can still get it in a book form, which is pretty cool. And then a white scroll just prevents an item from being destroyed, like our pickaxe got destroyed, so we can have a white scroll on a specific item. So I want a white scroll on here. So as you see, my diamond sword is now protected. I want to give it blind 5. Alright, so I just go ahead and put blind 5. As you see, it is successfully protected. So now I want to showcase the black scroll. So I have dodge 5 on my diamond helmet, and I want a glowing 1 on there, and then I also want to add a white scroll, so now it's protected, and then I want frozen 3 on there as well. Alright, so now we have dodge 5, glowing, and frozen 3 all on my helmet. And then now I want to try the black scroll. So we'll do the black scroll and let's see what we get. So we got dodge 5 back. We got a 63% success rate and 100% destroy. So that might be a little bit sketchy, alright? So let's try and add it back and let's see what happens. Okay, so it just added dodge 5 just like so. Alright, so that is how you do that. And we also have fly 1 for our success rate and 40% destroy. So let's go ahead and use this is both of these. I want to use both of these on my fly, so this will increase my success rate real quick. So we'll just do that. So now it's 42 and 40 destroy. So the fly just failed to apply on the diamond boots, so that kind of sucks, but it didn't destroy our boots, which is super helpful. So then the last section are the 3 built-in GUIs. So we have a tinkerer, we have an alchemist, and an enchanter. So let's go ahead and showcase the alchemist. So this will exchange books or scrolls for different types of various things. So we have 2 enchanted books, and you can exchange that for a higher level of enchanted book, or you have magic dust as well. So we got some elite magic dust in here, so let me go ahead and open the GUI back again. So we put that in there, and as you see, we have an ultimate magic dust. So this will give our increase rate by 6%, and this is for the ultimate style. Alright, so you can click to confirm, cost 18 experience. So let's go ahead and do that, and as you see, we have the magic dust, the ultimate magic dust. Alright, Next, we got the Enchanter, and this will, you can buy random enchantments in the GUI, so this is how your players will be able to get the books, or you can have them in crate keys or whatever you want. So we'll do a unique enchantment, and we can just buy that, and this costs a specific experience, so you can just buy whatever you want. And you can also list the specific enchantment types as well with the /EE list. So these are all the random ones that we have been given, so this is what we bought. So just right click, and you can see what type of enchantment that you got. Alright, so that is pretty cool. Then the last thing is the Tinkerer, so you can trade and exchange books for dust. So we can go ahead and open this. So we can just put all of our books in here, and then this will give us specific enchantment types as well as a percent. Alright, so these are the success percent. So this is where you exchange it, and this is, you can put everything if you want to exchange in the Tinkerer, and then this is the to accept the trade. Let's see what we got. So we have these different types of things, so go ahead and right click it, see what we have. Alright, we are doing pretty good. So we got a legendary, which is awesome, and then mystery dust pretty much doesn't do anything at all, so you can throw those away. And then we also have unique magic dust. So those are the different dust types. So that is pretty much everything in here, and I want to showcase that of how to get it all set up. And then now I want to show you guys how to make your own custom enchants. So here we are on our FTP, and if you guys need hosts, make sure you check out ReviveNode Hosting, revivenode.com. You can use the code STRIKER in all caps for 10% off. So here is your config for your ultimate enchanter. You can look over the rest of the configs, but we're going to dwell on the enchants because this is how you create your own custom enchants. So here are the 5 different types of categories, and then in here are what you're going to make your own custom enchants. So we're going to choose whatever one. So we're just going to do a simple. Alright, so now we need to make a new YML. So we're just going to head and do a new file, and then we're just going to call this kill.yml. I'm just do it for testing purposes. So go ahead and just create the file. One quick thing I want to mention before we start editing and everything is this Enchants Center Discord. This is will be linked down in the description as well. So this is for the Epic Enchants plugin, and in here you can share enchantments, you can request custom enchantments as well, and you can even ask for help if you're having issues. But the one thing I want to mention is that if you guys do create your own enchantments, you can share them in here with this share enchants. Brianna, who is the developer, will pick 5 to 10 different people. It's in the announcements right here. We'll pick 5 to 10 different people, and the user with the coolest one will get $10 PayPal. So make sure you guys check this out. You can create your own custom enchants, you can share them, and you might even get some money, and it will be featured in the plugin, which is pretty awesome. So these are all the different types that people have shared, which is pretty cool, and a few of them are actually in the plugin already. So just to make it everything easier for this tutorial, I have found this one that looks pretty cool. So it's named Target. It's made my hippopotaphobia. I probably just butchered his name, but I want to go click the link, and this is a Target enchantment that he made. So I'm just going to head and copy that, and the simplest way is just to paste it in here. So you can change this as well, so this can be the unique identifier. It can match kill or whatever you want to call it, but this is, we need to change the group because this is in simple group now, and now that is just fine. You can change this description as well. You can add color codes and make it stand out. And then here's the item whitelist. So this is for the bows specifically, and you can have it whatever you want. And then here are your potion effects that it will occur. So if you guys need help with that, you can come over to the tutorial section on the Songoda wiki, and this gives you all the different types of effects. So this is pretty much every effect in Minecraft, which is pretty awesome. So you can do all of those, and then here are the triggers as well. So if a player attacks someone, or a mob, or defends, or attacks range, so there's so many different options. So that's what I mean by this is totally custom enchants, exactly how you want it on your server, which is awesome. There's like no other plugin like this, which is pretty sweet. So that is also here the fields that you can change as well. So that's everything that you can do, and then they're adding more effects and everything down here. If you guys need help with any of these or anything, go to the Discord or check the wiki, and it gives you all the different types of variables you can have for the different effects, which is pretty cool. And then here's the trigger. It is attacking a ranged player and even mobs as well. And then the glowing effect, and then duration, it is multiplied by the specific level, the book level, who it should be run on the opponent or the attacker. Either one works. works, and then here's the chance. So I'm just gonna boost this up to 100 because I want it to work every single time just for the video. And then once you're done with that, just go ahead and save that, and there you go, you just made your custom enchantment, which is pretty awesome. So I would just recommend just copy and paste your default one, and then you can add whatever you want to it to make it completely customizable and custom on your server. So go ahead and save that, and then we can go in game, reload it, and test it out. Alright, now we have an opportunity to test our enchantment. So I went ahead and gave myself target 5, and this will give him glowing for that long. Oh, I just shot him. Okay, we'll do it real quick again so he respawned, and as you see, it's working fantastically. So that is really cool. So all I did was give myself a buck, and we can do like target 3, and this will give you a target 3% chance. But as you see, it is working quite wonderfully, which is pretty sweet. So that is the custom enchants. That's how you get it all set up, and that's how you edit everything. So I just wanted to showcase that real quick, and that's pretty much the plugin showcase. Hope you guys did enjoy, and shout out to Yeezer for helping me out with this. If you guys want to be in some plugin showcases, I will leave my Discord link down in the description. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace.